Mobile Fire Rescue Department holding another smoke alarm blitz tomorrow. The department not only giving out those smoke alarms, but firefighters will install them for you. A lot of fires, can happen overnight when no one's awake to see the flames. A smoke alarm can alert you and give you the seconds that are vital to your getting out safely. The fire department installing up to 3 free smoke alarms for registered Mobile residents. You can register online right now. We have a link to that for you on our webpage.